Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can do and complete the See the Horse mission in Skate 4. So what you'll need to do is go basically right here, grind this sawhorse, and then grind the stairs with the speed. So you'll need to just put a quick drop object right here, the small kicker ramp that I did. So this is the little trick. And then just by jumping that kicker, you'll be able to grind this, and then just grind the stairs. It's not that hard to do. That's like that. And you'll eventually get grind sawhorse and stairs, and then you can do board slide or lip slide. It doesn't even matter. So just try by landing it, and you will good to go. So that's pretty much it, guys. This is my trick for doing the See the Horse mission in Skate 4. If this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below if this video was helpful, and see you in the next one.